Rigo Rosales from Pilumo, together with Atuduhan Anya Kalilis. Ayaw matulong, good morning. So, at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, with no further ado, may I welcome Mr. Emmanuel Esquinas, licensed professional teacher, our Indian remote to deliver his message. A round of applause, please. Acknowledging also the presence of Ma'am Vanessa from province. Good morning. Sorry. My respect to our municipal mayor, Honorable Randy Cablanes Mayor, our municipal vice mayor, Honorable Benedict Nicotin, to our members of the Sangguniang Bayan, our beloved department heads, and as well as our very supportive principals and school heads of District of Iligan, barangay and SK officials, co-employees of this new institution, educators, health advocates, visitors and guests, families, friends, and loved ones, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. As we commemorate the National Disaster Resilience Celebration 2024, it is imperative to reflect on and reinforce our commitment to building a more resilient nation. In an era marked by escalating natural and man-made disasters, enhancing disaster resilience is not merely a priority, but a necessity. This year's theme is strengthening community resilience through inclusive and sustainable practices underscores the critical need for comprehensive, inclusive, and sustainable strategies that empower every segment of our society. Disaster resilience is the ability to anticipate, prepare for, respond to, and recover from adverse events. It involves a multifaceted approach that encompasses infrastructure fortification, early warning systems, effective emergency response, and robust recovery plans. However, true resilience goes beyond physical preparedness. It requires fostering a culture of awareness, education, and collaboration among all stakeholders, including government agencies, private sectors, civil society, and local communities. Inclusivity is the cornerstone of effective disaster resilience, ensuring that vulnerable groups such as children, the elderly, people with disabilities, and marginalized communities are actively involved in disaster planning and response is very crucial. Their unique needs and perspectives must be integrated into resilience building initiatives to create equitable and effective solutions. Sustainability is equally vital. Climate change exacerbates the frequency and severity of disasters, making it essential to adopt environmentally sustainable practices. This includes promoting green infrastructures, enhancing natural buffers, and investing in renewable energy sources. Sustainable development not only mitigates disaster risks, but also contribute to the long-term well-being and prosperity of our communities. As we celebrate the National Disaster Resilience 2024, let us renew our dedication to fostering a resilient society. By embracing inclusive and sustainable practices, we can ensure that our communities are better equipped to withstand and recover from disaster. Together, we can build a nation where resilience is ingrained in our way of life, safeguarding our future against the uncertainty of this world. Once again, good morning and keep safe. Arriba, Pilipinas!